Veal Potato Coconut Milk Rice or Beef Potato Coconut Milk Rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef recipes and one of the most nutritious of the veal recipes and one of the most wholesome of the coconut milk recipes. Today we are going to make veal potato coconut milk rice or beef potato coconut milk rice. The ingredients are around 30 shallots, 25 grams of ginger, 2 green chillies, 1 potato peeled and cut into pieces, 1 onion peeled and cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 1 half of a lime, 25 grams of garlic, and a quarter or 250 grams of veal or beef cut into pieces and cleaned thoroughly in turmeric water. 1 cup of rice. We have taken long grain rice. Take 2.5 cups of water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Keep the water to boil. Now put in a pinch of salt. And let the water boil further. Pour in 5 ml of oil. And let the water boil. Now put in the soaked and washed rice into the water. Now let the rice cook for 15 minutes. The rice is ready and rice can be taken off the flame and used to make the dish further. Heat the pan, pour it 10 ml oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the ginger and the garlic. Shallots. Saute until the onions are golden brown. Put in salt to taste. Now put in the potato pieces. Put in the green chillies. Okay, pour in the tomato pieces. On saute. Now the onion has become a golden brown and shallots are nearly lost their pinkish color. Now put in the veal or beef pieces. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. put in 3 spoons of garam masala or mixture of spices. Given the method of making this mixture in an earlier video, thoroughly mix. Mix that. Now pour in 700 ml of thin coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. Now close and cook for 45 to 50 minutes in a pressure cooker, and 120 to 150 minutes if in an open pan. Now, after the required amount of time cooking, open and put in the rice and mix into the mixture. Put in the rice little by little. Mix thoroughly. Now cook for 3 to 5 more minutes. Pour in some clarified butter. Mix thoroughly. Now the veal potato coconut milk rice or beef potato coconut milk rice is ready. and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final veal potato coconut milk rice or beef potato coconut milk rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the meat recipes and one of the most wholesome of the beef recipes and one of the most unique of the veal recipes, and one of the most nutritious of the whole meal ideas or cooking ideas. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.